Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for cute sloths pattern. In this video, we show you the some crochet cute sloth pattern designs collection. These all collection are very useful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet sloth pattern designs collection. These are all handmade crochet baby sloth pattern designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet sloth pattern designs. Ideas Collection 2024. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New Ideas Crochet Sloth Pattern Designs Collection. Beautiful and different color combination. Crochet Cute Sloth Pattern Designs Collection. Crochet Couple Sloth Pattern Designs. So beautiful collection. Grey color crochet sloth pattern design, so beautiful and stylish. Crochet sloth hanging pattern designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video. Okay.